reviewer level is far more interesting. You generally, reviewer is someone, probably we presume that the reviewer could be either the one down or someone, some confident of the owner or director or the proprietor, or the partner or proprietor himself, where he would want to personally review every single report before sending, which I think most of the valuers in this country practice it. So we believe that as a proprietor or as a partner or as a director, you would be into multiple tasks, and it may not be appropriate for you to come back to office to approve case, or for that matter open up a mailbox and then start approving cases. And in the whole process, if you are out of your office into business development or some other reason, you may not be really having a control of what is happening in office. कितने केसेस विजिट हो चुका है, कितने केसेस रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट हो कर चुका है, कितने केस मेरे पास पड़े हैं, वो किसी के बारे में भी आपको पक्का इंफॉर्मेशन मिलने के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा. अभी all that gets solved with Evalo's virtual office. Now this is the summary. Now if you look at it, the landing page of the reviewer, this is today's case list. आज के लिए कितने काम है और उनमें से कितने कंप्लीट हो चुका है, क्या स्टेटस पे है. That idea you will get it from this particular screen itself. Now here, this is the initiated versus visit completed, which means साइट इंजीनियर को कितने केसेस हमने असाइन किया है, उनमें से कितने केसेस उन्होंने कंप्लीट कर चुका है. सो हियर वी नो that 40% of the cases, which is 4 cases, they have visited the property, and the remaining 60% cases, or rather 6 cases, they have not visited the property. So now the time is already 4:30 or 5:30, and even at 5:30, the visit is not completed. So immediately what you can do is you can click on this globe button at the right side bottom, and it will show you where which valuer is and why it has taken so much time for them to complete the report. Now, in individual valuer wise, you can click and see how many cases was assigned to him. Now here for this gentleman, 0 cases was assigned, and so no completion, no pending, everything is over. Now there is one other valuer over here, where if we zoom in, here you will see one other valuer over here. You click on him, he had 4 cases, and all the 4 cases have got completed. So there's one other valuer for whom the job is pending, which you can keep searching and you can figure it out. What I'm trying to say is this platform gives you a complete clarity on the productivity of a valuer. कितने केसेस उनको असाइन किया है, how many cases he has completed, that gives you a complete analysis of the valuer's productivity. This information was very difficult for you to collect all these days. At least most of the valuers officers found it very difficult to get control over the site executives, monitoring them, calling them and asking. When they are driving, we call them, we disturb them, they get disturbed. All these things keep happening within in a typical, especially during the month ends, ये सब होगा. अभी वो हेडेक आपको नहीं चाहिए. आप जहां भी हो वहां से आप खाली आप लैपटॉप को खोल के बैठ के इसको चेक कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द रिपोर्ट कंप्लीशन. नाउ साइट इंजीनियर को तो विजिट तो कर चुका है, कर दिया. अभी उसके बाद यहाँ पे रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट करना है. लेट अस नाउ अंडरस्टैंड हाउ फार द रिपोर्ट टीम हैज परफॉर्म. नाउ रिपोर्ट टीम, इफ यू गो, they have completed only one report so far, and 4 more cases where the site visit has happened, the report executive has not prepared the report. So there again, the productivity of the team comes over very clearly with these two graphs. This is the list of cases which are pending at your level or at the reviewer or approvers level. Whatever is red in color, it is still not completed, while the ones which are green in color have been completed. So this will give you a clear clarity on the number of cases also which are pending from today's visits. I'm not referring to the previous day's visit. I'm just referring to today's visit. Now I move on to the reviewers level and see how the cases appear. Now, this is where the queue of the approver comes in. If you look at it here, we have Mr. XYZ and Mr. ABC. I just click on this particular case. And if you look at this, here you have the elevation image. If you remember the elevation image, this is the image which I captured as an elevation, the wall before me, that has come in over here automatically, because in the Valuers mobile application, we asked it to specifically upload the elevation image, and that image has come over here. And this is the bank which is initiated, and then the date of initiation, the borrower's name, the type of asset, and then the visiting engineer and the data entry, the person who has completed the data entry. Additionally, you also on the right hand side, you have the report which was uploaded by the data entry person. This makes your life absolutely simple. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to download anything, you don't need to see what has happened. This comes to you in one single page. ये पूरा पेज के अंदर आपको सब चीज मिल जाएगा वो रिपोर्ट के बारे में. You can click on the next button, you will have the documents. If you recall, there were two documents we uploaded, one with 2 lines, the other with 3 lines. All these two documents have come inside. Additionally, you also get the property images. And if you look at this SketchUp wala, ये भी आ गया इधर, एलिवेशन का इमेज आ गया, रोड का इमेज आ गया, सब चीज जो भी है वो सब आ गया. ये आपका at the click of a button. Now to understand about a particular property, you don't need to call anyone, you don't need to ask anyone else मुझे ये भेजो वो भेजो, सब चीज आपके पास ही है, ये सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर ही है. Now the final most attractive piece is this map wala. इसके अंदर whatever you have done previous valuations using Evalo's virtual office, all those data points will be coming over here. Now, if you click on this particular data point, it will tell you it is a flat and it was done on 27th May 2020, and this is about 90 meters from the subject property. And next one, if you click on this, this will tell you this is an immovable asset. You have a land and the property type is an individual house. The land extent is 1,000, the rate is 1,000, the value is 1 lakh, building is so much. So the total property value that you've given is 2 crores. Date of report is 31st May and this property is 140 meters. आपको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन रेलेवेंट है इस प्रॉपर्टी के सामने आसपास में जो भी वैल्यूएशंस आपने किया है वो इधर आ जाएगा. Now this is exactly what we made the report executive team to type when they were trying to submit the send it to the next level, to the reviewers level. उस वक्त आपको याद होगा ये वाला हमने लिया था उनसे, लैंड एक्सटेंट कितना है, सुपर बिल्डअप एरिया, फ्लैट रेट कितना है, वो सब हम उनसे लिया था. वो इंफॉर्मेशन आपको इधर एक टेबल जैसा लैंड एक्सटेंट इधर आ जाएगा, फ्लैट का एक्सटेंट आ जाएगा, रेट आ जाएगा, पूरा वैल्यू इधर मिल जाएगा आपको. ये सब आसानी से at the click of a button, whatever you have done in the last, मान लीजिए अभी 2020 में हो हम, 2022 में, even that time if you are going to run a dedupe on this or do a valuation in this particular area, all the reports that you have done so far in that particular property will come over to you, and it becomes extremely easier for you to approve a case with full confidence that nothing has got missed out. One more normal thing is we go through these images. Suddenly we may get to feel that I've seen this image somewhere. I closely recall this image. No issues. Run a dedupe. The moment you run a dedupe, this is what I was trying to show you at the report executive level also. See the number of matches which come and say. These are far too many because now we have a very precise lat long to the 15th decimal, and all those properties which have been completed in and around that area, which again come over here in this map. If you see, those are the properties. From that table, this data comes over here and it shows you very clearly what has happened in this particular this one. Now, if in case you want to once again check, आपको कुछ कोई customer का नाम याद होगा. So now say for example you have anyone, this one, say Tom and Jerry. Okay, right. Okay, let me just open this. Just click on this. The data in your Google Drive for that particular report comes out and sits over here automatically. So this is the biggest advantage of Evalo, where all your data is connected to each other and stored under one particular repository, and that is nothing but your own Google Drive. And once I'm done with all this, I'm satisfied with everything. I now close this, and now I decide to send the report to my client. So I click on send mail to client, and at this stage you will have 4 email IDs. You may wonder कहाँ से ये 4 email IDs आया था. मैं आपको 2-3 मिनट के अंदर दिखाऊंगा ये कहाँ से आया करके. Now इस stage पे you can actually change the fee that is likely to come for this particular case. If you don't want to enter also, कोई issues नहीं है, but it is advantageous if the fee is coming over here. And then I click on send mail to client. Before that, I want to remove this one particular email ID. I can remove that email ID, or I can add another email ID, or I can edit the email ID. वो सब option आपके पास ही है. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on send mail to client. And this process of sending mail to client generally takes about 2 to 3 minutes. I will tell you why this happens. Now, just look at this Excel spreadsheet. This has 11 rows, and the last this one is record is Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan. Now, what is this Excel sheet does? This is in the 11th row. Kindly remember this. This is in the 11th row. What this master sheet does is, what eValue does for you is, apart from storing the images and other documents pertaining to a particular property in a specific folder, it also creates a summary of your valuations. It is not just storing the images, it stores a summary. This Excel spreadsheet is there in your drive. It is your Excel spreadsheet. And I'm sure many valuer officers maintain Excel sheets extensively. They use Excel sheet for multiple purposes, wherein they try to enter in the data. Now, if you see, the 12th row has got inserted, and that is nothing but the property visit which we completed right now, which is XYZ ABC. So every time you complete a particular valuation report, this Excel spreadsheet, this Google spreadsheet gets automatically updated. This gets automatically updated with the data pertaining to that particular property. If you look at it, the contact number one followed by 9 zeros is over here. The name of the bank is over here. Axis Bank, Demo branch, Demo employee, APAC, 888, all the data, whatever was entered in all along in your system, comes over here and sits here. Not even a single data gets missed out. Now, if you look at it, the address which was entered at the initiation stage, the latitude longitude which came in at that stage, the comments or the instructions given by the banker, visit the property after 4 p.m. That has also come and said every information pertaining to this particular property, whatever your team has entered in. If you remember the fees that we had entered, 5,000, that has also come in here. The land extent, which is UDS extent 1,200, the super built up area, the flat rate, सब इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी आपने एंटर किया है वो सब इधर आ जाएगा. उसके साथ साथ वो गूगल ड्राइव के अंदर जो फोल्डर में ये प्रॉपर्टी का इमेजेस है, वो उसका लिंक भी इसके साथ साथ मिल जाएगा. खाली आपको क्लिक करना है, वो क्लिक कर दिया तो आपको ये पूरा आ जाएगा. ये देखिए, ये टोमेटो केचप का डेटा शीट आ गया इधर, और वैसे ही सब चीजें इसके अंदर अंदर आपको मिल जाएगा. ये रिपोर्ट भी आ जाएगा, एंड एवरीथिंग इज कंसोलिडेटेड इनटू one single folder and one single Excel sheet, which most of the valuer firms try to maintain it, but the quality of data is actually a big question mark. And especially during the month ends when the load is very heavy, we tend to make some mistakes or miss out few data in the urgency, and in the whole process we are losing out on critical value, critical data points. अभी ये डेटा है आपका मास्टर डेटा. ये even after 1 year, if you think you don't want to continue with eValue's virtual office, or you want to migrate into a higher platform of eValue's virtual office, cool, absolutely no issues. This spreadsheet is going to be with you. This is there in your drive. It is there with you just like any other image folder that you have. You have everything with you, and above all this, you are now fully compliant with IBS and IBBI requirements, where you have preserved all the documents and data that is required. And additionally, you also have all the working papers pertaining to a particular report, and everything is there at just a click of a button. And guess what? It is all in your own drive at your control. So there is no question of anything additional either here or there. Everything pertaining to the property, to that particular property, starting from document to images to a summary of whatever has happened. You will actually see the time and date when it was actually sent, what time you had approved a particular case. Even if a client is going to call up and ask you when you have done it, you can say 5/31/46 is when I had approved the case. When it was initiated in your system, you will have the date and time. When the site was visited, you will have the exact date and time. Microscopic information which will make your life all the more easier and simpler is provided with eValue's virtual office. And let me just, I think I'm more or less come to the end of my presentation.